ourselves. Look at Messermeister. Happy Friday. It's Chelsea here at Messermeister Gather Kitchen to bring you happy hour. We have a really special one today because we got a truckload of bourbon. We made it, this is ours, and we're going to drink it. Today we're bringing you an Amaretto Bourbon Sour. 3/4 ounce bourbon. That's good. Amaretto, 1.5 ounce Amaretto. A teaspoon of simple syrup or agave. 1 ounce lime juice. A little bit of ice cubes. 1 egg white. Shake it for 15 seconds as hard as you freaking can and keep that lid on tight because it just wants to fucking explode. 1 big ice. A sailor. Just beautifully. An Amaretto Bourbon Sour. Oh, beautiful. Happy Friday. Enjoy.